next lesson, we're going to figure out how to customize a form to look like your own designs through CSS. So let's dive into the screen share and figure out how to do this. So last lesson here, what we're seeing here now with forms, you can pretty much apply the same thing to surveys. I'm going to just tack on a little bonus lesson, which is the next lesson about surveys, because they are slightly different, but mostly the same as forms. So anyway, let's go into our forms. Let's go back to the builder, and we're going to pick up the one that we just created called the Contact Us. And we're going to click on Edit. And here you can see that the button for this form is it's a yellow sort of color, and there's a heading and various other bits and pieces. So what we want to do is, the first thing you can do is you can stylize by using some of the embedded styles. So if you want to show labels on the fields, we can click on Show Labels, which is nice. Or you keep the placeholders here, which is self-explanatory. You can then choose the background color of any of these by selecting a hex value. And you can also change the font color and various other things around the border. So you normally get this dotted border, right? Get rid of that. You just go to 0, save, off it goes, right? Which looks, a million times better already. Now, the other thing that you might want to do is you might want to paste custom CSS here, and of course you can do that. So if you've got some styles, right, that go beyond kind of the the main sort of like fonts and the way that these boxes are kind of got these rounded edges and those types of things, right? I mean, you could go crazy with the rounded edges. I think 20 points is not even that much, right? So you could do like 100. What does that look like? Don't know if it even did anything when I did 100. Oh, that's just the form. We don't see the border. To change the buttons, however, you would need to click on the element. And here's the corner radius and those types of things, right? So the corner radius is currently 75. If you want to make that sort of square, you could sort of make it, like 1, right? And it would come out super square. And then we've got 75, making it nice and rounded like that. Full width looks crap. You'd probably just make that as long as it's the text. Otherwise, make it this big, nice, full width form. Button background color, of course, and then you could align between the center and so on. So, you could have it just align to the left like that, to the right. And on it goes, right? So this is how you would stylize your form. That's it for this lesson. We'll see you in the next one.